Hello everyone, my name is Keena and today I'm going to be showing you how I install my mini boho twist, and this is my first YouTube video, so bear with me. Please stay tuned. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because why not? See what I'm saying? Alright, getting right into it. Here I'm showing you how I already started twisting up my hair, and this first part I'm showing you how I begin braiding at the roots, because I have thick 3C curly hair, and if I do not braid at the roots, my hair is coming loose the next day. So I like to twist in opposite directions when I'm doing my twist, just so the twist can stay intact, not come loose pretty much. You a close-up of the curls popping, juicy. Perfect. Here, showing you a little bit of progress, you know what I'm saying, is coming along, but like I said, I got a lot of hair, and getting through it. Here, I was irritated. Let me tell you something. When I took this bun out, felt like it whole new head of hair. Yeah. Cool though, because you learn to have patience with your natural hair. At least I did. Just grew over time. Coming along. You might see some of that white residue. That'll dry over time. All about moisture in these mini twists. You're doing any hairstyle, dry. Flakes ain't cute. Trust me, believe. Flakes are not cute. Moisture is key. Healthy hair community. Yes ma'am. Look at those curls. Curls for the girls. Yes. Just damp my hair up with a little bit of warm water, you know, a little something, and I just simply go ahead and focus on the front, because yeah, as you can see, my hair is a little thinner in the front, so I took the time out to really focus on the front and these clips. The back, pretty cool. My favorite products to use for this type of style, I like to use the Shine and Jam and Live OG. Been using it since I was a baby. Ask my mama. So yes, we also like to spray the oil sheen at the end, just to lock in all that moisture. Yes ma'am. Alright, so like I said, I braided at the roots. So when I'm taking these down, trying to unravel them, they kind of get knotted up, all you gotta do is just add a little water. Yeah, baby. and then put the product in there. Adding that product with the water, yeah, helps just go ahead and loosen it on up, get that first twist, you know what I'm saying? If you want to go back in and redefine your parts, that's fine. Didn't have the time, didn't feel like it. I just simply took what I already pre-sectioned. I took already what I already had sectioned, so from there I just kind of freestyled the parts. Here I'm splitting the part up into 3 sections. One section out of the 3 is larger than the other 2. The other small 2 pieces become one after I begin the twist. So here you can see I have that one thicker piece, and then I just follow up and go ahead and start twisting. Like I said, using that shining gem to really hold the product in, keep the twist, you know, nice and tight, and then twist tightly, go all the way down, sped this clip up a little bit. So yeah. Alright, just me being a little goofy. Yeah, baby. And here I'm just going along again. You really want to focus on the ones in the front because, of course, that's the front. You don't want to be looking like a bug wolf in the front. And nobody's business. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So again, I'm just showing you how I'm refreshing, redefining, you know. Yeah, it was looking a little rough. Some of them were coming loose actually, so this is why I wanted to add this in the video, just so you can see how I keep up, you know, the maintenance and after post care. Yeah. So then, yes ma'am, we're sitting here focused on those roots. Again, 3 sections, braid off, braid. You know how to braid. Find a braid tutorial on uno, dos, tres. Yes. And then we go ahead and add that product to the ends. I like to add my product before I start the entire twist, just so it can already be in there. So when I'm twisting, it's already actually. Yep. Speed it up, speed it up. And curl the ends. Yes, ma'ams. Yes, ma'ams. Ew. Yes, so following through, we're finding the pieces, just going through my hair honestly to try to find where I need to be redefined. Yeah, guys, this is so awkward for me. I don't even know. Like, I'm so shy. I want y'all to bear with me, please. Yes, one more time, I'm showing you how, bingo, we have that big piece and those 2 little ones, and the 2 little ones become that other half, and begin twisting. Yes, yes. And like I said, when you see that white product, it is going to dry clear, not clear, but you know, it's going to dry, and you will not see it anymore. Just an indication of moisture. You need moisture. Yes, ma'am. Yes, redefining, putting that product on. Some of them I don't all the way unravel. I just go ahead and pick up from where I see is really dry at, and boom. Twist it, twist it, twist it. Dip up. Yep. Guys, this is so awkward for me. Ooh. All right, and boom, you can see that curl. See the curls. All right, going to the other side. She's looking real dry. She's looking real dry. All right, folks. Here is that knot that I was telling you about from the braid that's at the root coming down. Honestly, didn't have patience. I don't recommend you guys just pull the hair out knots. Like I said, put some water on there, and you'll be alright. It'll come loose. You can get a comb, you can get a rat tail comb, whatever you like. The end of the rat tail comb to, you know, pick in there. Ching, ching. And boom. Add that product at the root. That's another thing that'll help, you know, lay it down. And pay attention to the direction that you're braiding, because that'll be the direction it'll fall in. When I first started, I had all of them coming down like this, and girl was looking like the Grudge. But it's cool because as they grow out, you'll be able to, you know, flip them over a little bit. Over here, then you go over there. See what I'm saying? But yeah. Here we go. I'm twisting in that opposite direction, adding the product as I go. It just depends on how I feel, honestly. I might add it before, or I might add it as I go. And we just twist, twist, twist to find that end. Please pay attention to the way you're twisting your ends, because if you don't, your hair will tell you, twist just the other way, bitch. Yes, you can see here the difference with the ones that are twisted, the ones that ain't been touched. You know, they're a little elongated, but as they dry, they will shrink up. All right, here, ladies and gentlemen, we are wrapping this up. You feel better now? Terrorizing. Your ass is bad. You want to say hi to camera? Come here, let's say hi. baby. You see you? Say mwah. Say mwah. Mwah. Down, down. It's very important to wrap your hair up at night. I get my scarves honestly from the local beauty supply store. Yeah, easy. Here I fold the scarf into a triangle, pull the front down, tie it in a knot, not a knot, but you know, whatever, you know, and bring it back to the front, tie it in a little bow, throw on that bonnet. Yeah. Every time I hop in the shower, we doing this. Every time I go to sleep, we doing this. And yes, that is all for the video. Please, like I said, like, comment, and subscribe. We love you here. You are beautiful. Embrace your beauty. Claim your beauty because you are beautiful. And period. Just like that. Thank you guys again for watching my video, dude. Honestly, like, this has been so long awaited. I don't know what I've been waiting for, and I'm excited to finally join this community, especially the natural hair community, because I know it's all love and positive vibes. So I'd like for you guys to support my channel, check me out, more videos to come.